Hi there, students. Solipsistic. Wow, solipsistic, an adjective. Solipsistically, an adverb. And a solipsism or solipsism, the belief. Okay, solipsistic is a formal adjective meaning selfish, self-centered, thinking about yourself. So he solipsistically took the last cake on the plate without thinking about anyone else. I think being solipsistic is probably a natural human trait. Yeah, we're all a bit selfish. Okay, let's see. Solipsism is actually a belief. This comes from the idea of Descartes, I think therefore I am. Solipsism is the belief that the only thing that you can know is that your own mind exists. Anything outside your own mind is unsure. Okay? So solipsistic could talk about that and that belief. But I think if you're going to use this word, use it to mean selfish, self-centered, thinking about oneself. He wrote a memoir that was pathologically solipsistic. It was only concentrated on him and himself and none of the interactions he had with other people. Her husband's solipsistic indifference made her very angry. Yeah, he's self-indulgent and solipsistic and only thinks of himself. I think maybe young people are more solipsistic than the older generation. Okay, so solipsistic, a word meaning selfish, egocentric, thinking about oneself. When we talk to other people, we probably have a very similar conversation to the internal conversations we have with ourselves, because we solipsistically forget that we're actually speaking to someone else. Okay, so solipsistic, relating to yourself, extremely egocentric and selfish. Yeah, the view that that the self is the only reality. Yeah, his comments revealed how solipsistic he really was. Okay, so self-centered, selfish, thinking about yourself, only wanting what is best for you. So, origin, it comes from the Latin word solus, meaning alone. Yeah, and maybe from ipse, oneself, solipsistic. So, solipsism, solus, alone, and ipse, oneself or oneself. Okay, so yeah, alone by yourself, and that's the idea of the philosophy, that the only thing you can guarantee that is real is the fact that your own mind exists, and knowledge of anything else in the external world is uncertain, to say the best. Okay, formality. This is a very formal, technical, literary word. You could use solipsism when talking about philosophy or something like that. You could use this word solipsistic instead of selfish and egocentric in a formal writing. It sounds very literary, but informally use the word selfish, self-centered, something like that. Okay, so solipsistic, thinking about yourself, looking out for number one. Yeah, putting yourself first and ignoring the feelings and situations of other people, a total lack of empathy for others. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Solipsistic, solipsism.